Lake Bogoria, the world's largest population of the famous leisure flamingos, can be spotted here. The main attraction of the lake is flamingos, and eyewitness spooky evidence of the ongoing tumult beneath Earth's surface. You can see various types of birds here also. Lake Bogoria is situated 250 km away from Nairobi. You can either join a safari tour in Nairobi or you may rent a car and visit the lake independently. Visit Bogoria Lake anytime in the year as the area enhances your enjoyment with moderate temperature and seasonal rains. The best time is June to October as it is considered a dry, cool season. Thank you so much. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get a notification for more videos on Photoshop, illustration, photography, travel, tips and tricks.